So, traders, hope you guys are having a wonderful trading week. Hope you're doing all that you're supposed to be doing so you can better yourself, so you can remain profitable, so you can remain disciplined, so you can remain consistent, and far most importantly, 1% better. This is your boy Harlem King COT, and we're back with another exclusive video. So, today's video, we are going to be concluding our um our breakdowns, our 2024 Q1 to Q4 insights or breakdowns, looking for possible directions for every quarter from 1 to 4 for 2024 for the year. And today we're going to be working on Bitcoin, which is literally the last pair in our trading portfolio because we're having 5 pairs, right? So I want to share with you guys what we might experience or what might possibly happen. You guys understand that this is never financial advice. This are just insights and this are just anticipations that you might use based on what you are looking at from the things, from the tools and the edge that you use, and based on what we are sharing right here. But before we get any further, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time we drop exclusive videos. If you want to be part of our COT Academy team, having 3 exclusive mentorship services, you can choose which do you prefer and which do you want to work with, and let us at the COT Academy team do the rest from there. But without further ado, guys, let me share this wonderful gems. Let me grow your knowledge. Let me help you out, and let me most of all do all that I have to do, so you can also do what you have to do. Right. So Q4, I won't be, I wouldn't be saying much, but I'm just gonna be explaining more and breaking things more down, right? So if you're new to my channel or if this is your first time viewing our videos, this is our all-time high resistance, as we have labeled out that this is our all-time high resistance, right? And as you can see, price did give us a violation and put that out as all-time high. You can see right this rejection where the way this weak rejection ends. This is where we have marked out our all-time high 73,644 at that very same zone. It's not really that one, but somewhere right there, right? So we now understand that we're having this lows. The price has been printing out more than once, first, second time, and the third time, right? And as you can see, guys, that price has literally given us reactions off of our resistance, right? Meaning that obviously from price, every time price trades on our resistance, we don't see any violation, but we see price failing to violate. In some terms, simple terms, price is failing to break above resistance to create a new all-time highs. And if price is failing to violate a certain zone, there's nothing that you have to do as traders but to just do what price is showing you guys. If we're failing to violate a certain zone, that clearly gives us an indication that that very same zone that price is failing to violate, that zone is very strong for your shorts or your sells or for price to be bearish. But until price gives us a violation to the upside, then that's when we can look for continuations to the upside. But for the most part of it, if price is failing to violate a certain zone, then I guess we'd have to do what price is showing you guys, because obviously we're failing to violate resistance. That's an indication that we need to look for what? For our short positions, or for bearish setups, or for price to just be bearish, right? So keeping things simple with you guys, we understand that price is trading below our all-time high resistance. This is Q4. If price doesn't give us any violation on Q4 to the upside, then I guess we'd have to take those trades moving to the downside. There's nothing else that I can talk about. You can explain your supply and your demand, your order blocks, your SMC, your fair value gaps, your change of character, your accumulation, distribution, and manipulations, all that you have to say. But simple, pure price action. Price is below resistance. We're failing to violate resistance. If price fails to violate resistance, then I guess you'd have to look for those bear moves to the downside. But if price violates resistance, then I guess we'd have to do what price is showing us. Do you guys get that? So understand, guys, that this is Q4. Anything can happen. Price can violate, price might not violate. All we have to do is to just wait based on how we trade, based on how we approach the markets, and based on how we trade. Like I said, right? If price is giving you what you feel like it's okay for you to do, then go for it. If it's not, then don't go for it. But for the most part of it, if price gives us a violation of our resistance, then I guess we'd have to look for those new all-time highs when you're 73,000-ish, 74,000-ish zone. But if price doesn't violate resistance, then I guess we'd have to take those sales to the downside. But without further ado, guys, I appreciate the support and I appreciate the love from January up and until now. You guys have been riding with me, have been running with me, and ever since then, you guys have been on the passenger seat with me as we would take this ride to success. I appreciate all that you've been doing for me and all that you're doing for me. And I still pray that you forever, guys, be with me till death do us part. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, this is your boy Hala, King COT, signing out.